What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reply to comments using the YouTube Studio on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. Go ahead and open up the YT Studio here guys, and here on the lower bottom you want to simply go ahead and click on Community. You will see it right next to Analytics. You can tap on that. Now this is going to show you all of those comments that you've gotten in the last couple of days, weeks, etc. So in order to reply to a comment, you want to find that comment that you currently have, and right below that comment you have the thumbs up, the thumbs down, and a chat and a heart. So if you want to give this comment a heart, let's take this one from 2 days ago, simply give it a heart by tapping on it, or you can simply click the chat right next to the heart and you can write something. You can basically give it another emoji if you so desire, and you can also go ahead and write something of your choice. Right, in this case I'm just going to give it a smile, the send, and as you can see I reply to this comment. Very easy and very simple.